smells a little.
Yeah, it's all like salt water bowl.
This is the from the casino that we were at.
Yeah, the dock.
To the route.
Oh, she's got an accent.
Yeah. Give her an accent.
How scary would that be to have that just come up in your yard like that?
That'd be really freaky, especially if you're in that.
It's too bad you can't salvage this, right? Because once water gets on it,
You can dry out the houses for the most part, but it depends. Then they have to go over like the structure and everything of it.
that's a deck. That's somebody's deck.
Yep.
This must have been scary. Can you imagine
people-
hearing all that?
Imagine the people that were home, like upstairs.
Yeah, I heard there was a lot of people stranded.
Yeah.
Straight?
Yep.
Wild.
100 feet. Turn left onto 52nd Street South. Left onto 52nd Street South.
Are we going towards the beach? Are we gonna go look at Pass the Grill, or are we heading back to Central?
Pass Grill is up by like Ready.
Hello. When we get to Pinellas Trail, let's see where we are.
Okay.
See what? Are we going left?
Yeah, go left.